The families of 3 firefighters killed during the Stricker Street vacant row home fire in 2022 are filing a federal lawsuit against Baltimore City. Fox 45's Keith Daniels looks into their demands and why they said the city failed to properly label a potential hazard.
Well, the new lawsuit was filed today in federal court. It comes more than a year after the firefighters' families filed a notice that they plan to sue the city, and tonight, the lawsuit. It was an early winter morning in January 2022.
We just had a collapse.
Unforgettable for loved ones of 3 Baltimore City firefighters who died
Mayday, mayday, mayday.
battling a vacant row home fire on South Stricker Street. Lieutenant Paul Buttram, Lieutenant Kelsey Sattler, and firefighter EMT Kenny Lakeo were killed. Tonight, word of a lawsuit. The families of those victims suing the city. The new federal lawsuit filed Wednesday claiming years of intentional neglect by the city preceded the tragedy. The lawyers for the families denying our request for an on-camera interview, but attorney Kevin Stern saying by phone, quote, "We look forward to our day in court," and the complaint speaks for itself. The one-count complaint claims the city violated the firefighters' constitutional rights by putting them in danger. Attorneys accuse city leaders of egregious acts, claiming the incident was predictable, foreseeable, and so easily avoidable. It points to the lack of exterior signs warning of a vacant home and no information warning the firefighters about the previous fires at the property or that it was a structurally unsafe, condemned property.
I was on leadoff that day, which means that I get the supply line and hook that to the hydrant.
Firefighter John McMaster was seriously injured that morning and is also included in the lawsuit against the city, which includes the mayor and Baltimore City Council. The vacant home collapsed on the firefighters shortly after they entered. McMaster spoke exclusively with Fox 45 News a few months after the incident, detailing those horrific moments.
There was too much weight, too much lumber on us, and so we were trapped. And then you're left knowing that they weren't able to get everybody out. And you feel bad and you feel possibly guilty because they were all such great people.
Meanwhile, the lawsuit does not name a specific amount of damages, but says the families will seek at least $75,000. Well, we reached out to the mayor's office for comment on this case. A spokesperson with the mayor's office responded on behalf of the city solicitor's office saying they had not yet received a copy of the complaint. They also say because of active litigation, they'll reserve comment for the appropriate judicial setting. Reporting tonight, Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.